In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best American van discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here, you'll have to search for American van discount code. Right here, as you can see, we have some different websites. You'll have to search for this one, which is retailminot.com. And right here, we have some promo codes and deals that we can use to get a discount. For example, right here, let's say I want to get this one with $10 off site wide. All I have to do is select show code right here. And as you can see, this is the discount code that I can copy and I can apply it on my next purchase in order to get this discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called ultimatecoupons.com. And right here, we also have some deals that we can use. For example, right now there is only one available. All I have to do is select get deal right here. And as you can see, there is no coupon code needed. All you have to do is select continue to American van, and you will be redirected through this website right here, and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.